Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, because UK ETA has gone live for many nationalities after initially it was for a fewer ones. So now a lot of questions are coming up like who needs ETA? Okay, that's very important, especially when you are planning. So guys, I'm sharing this official information as of today from the official site. Okay. But yes, this information can change anytime, so it's always good to check information on the official site. So if you go to the official site of UK Immigration, you see they have given a section who can apply. Check if you can apply for an ETA. Who can apply now? Who can apply from 5 March 2025? So your travel date is also very important. Okay. So if you're traveling after 5 March 2025, click on this link and not on this link. But if you're traveling now, click on this. Nationalities from the following location, including associated territories, can apply for an ETA now. Canada, Australia, so many of them are there. Who can apply from 5 March? Nationalities from the following location, including associated territories. Okay. Other nationalities cannot get ETA. Check if you need a visa. Okay, fine. So in this way, you can check it up for yourself and you can find out. All right. Okay, apply ETA from 5 March and they can travel from to 2nd April. Okay, fine. So there was just one clarification. Okay. Who can apply now and who can apply from 5 March. So you can always go through this link and check your nationality in this link. And once you are ready, you can apply for an ETA. I have already made the video about it. So I don't have to uh, do it again. I've already made a video about online and Google app. Okay. So this is how it works, guys. Let me know what you think about it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.